Hi, this is Technical Channel Online. For more new technical videos, please subscribe my channel. So, today I show you how to download and install Office 2021, the latest version. So, let's go start. So, first you go to config.office.com. After entering the config.office.com site, under below, here you show the create a new configuration file. So, create. So this is the office customization tool. Here you see here the below the all office deployment feature and which you want to actually download and install. So first on, which architecture do you want to deploy, this 32-bit or 64-bit? I want to 64-bit, so click 64-bit. Now products, under products here you can see office suite, Visio, project, additional product. If you want to download office suite, click here and you can see the different type of office version and the feature like Microsoft 365 Enterprise, Business, Office new release to 2021 volume, Pro Plus, and the standard version. Also here the Open Professional 2019 Pro Plus and the Standard Pro Plus. If you download the Visio, you can also see in here the same category: Visio Professional 2021, Visio Standard 2021, Professional 19, Standard 19, Visio Professional 16, Visio Standard 16. Also you can find here the Project Standard 19, 2021 and 16, both of. And the additional product is the language pack, Office, Access, Runtime, Skype for Business Basic, etc. So actually today's I show you the Office 2021 Pro Plus and the full offline file. So by this offline file you can copy by pen drive and another PC you can easily install, so you don't need to again download. So let's go start with Office Pro Plus 2021. I select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Visio I don't know, I don't need. Project I don't need. Product I don't need. I just install Office Pro Plus 2021. Now update channel. You can see here the different type of the update channel. Here you can see now only one, Office LTS Perpetual Live Enterprise. So it's default and select it. Select the version, latest or the 8 2108 version or 2108 blah blah. So the I choose latest version. Now apps. Actually Office Pro Plus have uh, too many feature like Access, Excel, OneDrive, Outlook, Publisher, Word, OneNote, PowerPoint, Teams. So and the Skype for Business, actually Skype for Business is converted Microsoft Teams. So I select those and default and next. After next you can see here the language. Actually this language is show which language you want to install. Different type of people are selecting different type of language. Actually we are supported in English, so we can select English. United States you can choose United Kingdom or many more. So I select United States. Now and below option is select, you can choose or you can select a default. I select a default. So next. So installation option, here you see where do you want to deploy Office from. Actually Office card and delivery network, CDN. From here the Office file are downloading and make a offline file. Show installation to user. I on it. Shut down runtime location, no, just off it default. Next, check for update and upgrade option. This is the important option, so please check in uninstall and uninstall any MSI version of Office including Visio and Project. So when you install Office 2019 latest version or another version, you can see in here, if you turn on this feature, when you install the Office, the automatically previous version uninstall and remove from your device. So you remember it and turn off this, and automatically upgrade selected architecture if you want or off. I just select default and next. Accept EULA End User License Agreement. So I turn on it and I confirm the license agreement. Now below you can see here the product key. Actually, if you purchase the product key, then you can enter this multiple activation key in here, or you can select KMS Skyline client key. So I actually default this, and I want to activate my Office manually, so I select KMS client key. Now next, general. General, in this section you can select your or type your organization name. I just select anything and I can choose default, so I do not and write here anything and default. So next, so this is the summary and finish. After finish, you can see here the whole configuration file and summary of the setup file, so you can check overall and export. I can export and select open Office Open XML format, so select second on and OK, then click I accept, and the configuration name you can change it here or you can set it default, so I set it default and export. I select desktop and save. So the configuration file is download and is saved in desktop. You can see in here. You can select and edit with your notepad and check which configuration in it. You can see in here the Office Client Edition 64-bit, which I first choose, and the Office VL Volume License 2021, and the product name is Pro Plus 2021 Volume License, and the default product key is set KMS key. This is not activation key, this is a default KMS key, and the feature are here and the full file is here, so you don't need to change in here, you just avoid it. Now you need to download the Office downloader tool, so go to the browser and browse Office download tool. So after Office download tool, you can see here Office deployment tool Microsoft, so click the Office deployment tool. Here you can see Office deployment tool and click download and save it. So I already saved and open this folder, and I cut and move to the desktop. So this is my Office deployment tool, and this is my Office 2021 latest version of configuration file. So I extract the Office deployment tool, right click and extract file. So I want to extract file in the desktop, and then folder name is a new folder and OK. So here is the new folder, and here you can see the default office configuration file. Configuration is 64-bit configuration office 65 60 86, that means 32-bit office 19 enterprise except EULA. So I don't need this configuration file. Actually I need this configuration file. I drag and drop in here, and I need the office setup file. I rename this folder Office 2021 Pro Plus. So I have the configuration file and the setup file, exe file, and now I need the command process how I download and install the Office. So now you need to go Office 2019 or 21 by IT Pro. Actually this not working, so you type Office 2019 install by IT Pro. So after this after Office 2019 install by IT Pro, and the first link deploy Office 2019 IT Pro's Microsoft Docs. So click this link. I shared this link in my description, so you can check in here. So after entering this link, here you can see the Office 2019 or 19 version have no XML file, SMI file, so you need to download and install by command. So actually I want to download Office 2021, that's why I need this command. Actually I already set up this configuration file, so I don't need. Now I need the download Office 2019 or 21 Office installation file. This is the Office downloader file. So I first download this all offline file, then I set up or install by this command. So copy this. So copy this link and Office folder. This is the Office folder, and go to the folder directory by select this folder location and type cmd and hit enter. So now you go to the command prompt and the Office location. Copy this download command and paste in here, and after entering hit enter. Then you can see here the Office 2019 folder. One more folder is create and it's downloading. So it's automatically after hit enter the command, and here you can see the Office folder is automatically create, and the folder is contain Office offline file. So you can check it by properties. Here is show the 2 MB and the 4 MB size. Actually the size is 1.86 or more GB. So it's already going up 29 MB. You can check again 30 MB, 30.7 MB. So this is the downloading process. Office offline file is downloading by command prompt, and when the office full file is downloaded, then the command prompt from user, the PC name, desktop, this folder is location in below, then you can sure the office full file is downloaded. So wait for the download, and after download I will show you how to install office latest version by command. So actually this video is lengthy, that's why I stop this video till downloading the software. After downloading I make another video how to install office latest version 2021. So in this video I am trying to show you the download process, details process, that you can download the file the easily. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and follow the next installation video. Thanks for watching.